looks cool.
That looks cool, right? What's up, guys? Welcome back to Rackoflam. As you can see, I have one of my favorite tropical fruits here, the pineapple, because I will be showing you guys how to cut one in today's video. There are countless pineapple cores and cutters that you'll find on the market. If that's your preferred method of cutting a pineapple, by all means. But I personally think it's going to create unnecessary clutter in my small kitchen. So I will be using a knife. So if you're interested in learning how it's done, please keep watching. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. As with all fruits, start off by washing the exterior of your pineapple. To avoid picking an over or underripe pineapple, look for one with an even yellow color from top to bottom. A pineapple that is green is underripe, and one that is orange is overripe. Start by resting the pineapple on its side and hold it steadily with your hand. Cut off the top, spin the pineapple around, and cut off the bottom. Now you have a flat base to rest on your cutting board. Next, you're going to place your knife right in the middle and cut the pineapple into 2 equal halves. This is going to be a sweet one. There's a core in the center that is really tough to chew, so we're going to remove it by lining your knife by the edge of the core and cutting inwards on both sides. And voila! I really hate wasting food, so I like to nibble on the core until I'm left with only the inedible. Now we're going to cut this pineapple half into another half. To cut pineapple chunks, you're going to take your knife and cut thick slices all the way down. Now line your knife in the center vertically to cut the slices in half. Then you're going to run your knife between the flesh and the skin to loosen up the chunks. And just like that, you have yourself some pineapple chunks. Pre-cut them for your family, guests before a party, or in preparation for cooking. Here's another fun way to serve pineapple. Again, we're going to cut slices all the way down, but into thinner slices this time. If you want them thicker, feel free to do that as well. We're going to run the knife between the flesh and the skin to loosen up the slices. Then we're going to alternate the pieces left and right until it looks something like this. And that's how you cut and serve your pineapple in 2 different ways. I'm going to dig in now. If my video was helpful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.